Hi, it's Jules Muller, founder and CEO of Chicks Connect, and we are on April week 3 talking about client relationships and client management. My mentor always says customers are good for business. The same can be true for your movement or nonprofit passion. In order to have a business, you need customers. In order to have a movement or nonprofit passion, you need people and people to serve. So how do we manage these people and how do we build lasting relationships? What are some of your ideas? What systems do you currently have in place for client management? Are they working? If not, what is the current challenge? And by systems for client management, I mean things like, do you have Salesforce, Infusionsoft? Do you use an index card system? Maybe you have files, client files online, or maybe you have hard copy client files offline. Maybe you use Excel spreadsheets. And remember, if you have any interest at all in the system that Chicks Connect uses, please reach out to me and I'll connect you with my Infusionsoft contact to save you money. What are the steps that are followed from the moment someone agrees to become your client? List them below. Is there a gap? Is there a portion that is time-consuming that you could automate? Here is a common example. Number 1, the sale is made, the client pays for the product or service. So what system do you have in place for that whole transaction? That could be automated. An email is sent to the client confirming the order and welcoming them, or a physical receipt is given. Again, something you could either automate, or if you're at a vendor trade show, of course, maybe you do handwritten receipts. But what is that process, and do you follow a system with that plan? Then the product or service is delivered. So it could be physical, it could be a service, or something else. And then one-time purchase versus multiple sessions or products. So how are you keeping track of that? Let's say you're a coach and someone buys an 8-hour package of coaching. How do you keep track of that process? Sharing those ideas with the members in your chapter will be very helpful, because some of you have these great systems in place. Others of you kind of wing it. And we know that. We've all been in certain times in our businesses where we've just been winging it until we can create the system because we don't know which system to use. So whatever your process is, write that down here and then share it with one another and see who has one that may work a little bit better than what you're currently doing. What programs or services do you currently have in place for building client relationships? Are they working? If not, what's the challenge? So some common examples of client relationship building things are maybe punch cards. So you go into a coffee shop, they say buy 10 cups of coffee, or 11th one is free. Loyalty programs, referral programs where they pay out commissions. That's like what we have for affiliates for Chicks Connect. Special offers and discounts for existing clients. So once they become part of your membership, your tribe, your clientele, maybe they're given certain discounts, buy one, get one, things like that. Added value that you give them because they're part of your client base. Client celebration and client appreciation. I know that we've had chapters that have worked together to do client appreciation nights, which I think are really fun. You just get to celebrate those clients, you invite them all, you treat them to goodies and some entertainment and some raffles. What happens there is they get to meet the other members of your chapter and perhaps do business with them as well in the future. Client spotlights. So keep the list going. Brainstorm ideas with your chapter of all the different ways that you can build those client relationships. Then look over the list above. Circle some of the ideas that you are willing to try. Have there been times that your clients have fallen through the cracks? I bet so. It happens to all of us. What can you commit to doing today to decrease the likelihood of that happening in the future? Remember, clients are good for business. We want you and your business to thrive and make a significant impact on the people you serve. So that's our lesson. We are excited. We're about 2 weeks away from our Chicks Connect Inspiration Celebration. We hope to see you there. Please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. And again, please purchase the meals if you plan on eating with us. We need to tell our 2 caterers a real close estimate of numbers of how many will be eating the dinners, and then we need to purchase the foods for the breakfasts and the lunches. Remember, the breakfasts are complimentary, so the meal package is at this link here, and you can take a look at all of that. So again, it's Jules Muller, and we can't wait to see you.